Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. Let me just like hoodie myself. As the title of this video says, and due to the nice response by many of you, some of you didn't like it, some of you did, but I'm doing another mukbang. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go and try Taco Bell's nacho fries, cause first of all, nachos, fries, nacho fries, like who wouldn't like that? But is this Taco Bell? It says KFC. What happened to? Oh, it's a Taco Bell KFC. Taco Bell and KFC. Okay, so let's see what were they called again? Oh yeah, the nacho fries.
Hello, welcome back to my KFC. My powder try to $5 in the box today?
No thank you. I wanted to try the nacho fries.
Do you want the box or just nacho fries by itself?
Just nacho fries by itself.
Okay, anything else?
No, that's all. Watch me crash like into this lady. What happened was that I was filming me ordering it and I didn't realize that they could see me. Like, she was just like staring at me as I was filming. Sorry that the camera's shaking so much, but I'm on like, I don't know where I'm at. I feel like I'm not in a very like safe place because the pavement is really wobbly. But yeah, let me just have it here by this dumpster, I guess. Yeah, so I got a little bit embarrassed and then she thought that I was one of those people that does like drive-through pranks, because I feel like she was so hesitant and so like, the drive-through worker, I felt like she was so hesitant and so kind of like standoffish, and each time I like reached for something, she kind of like, I'm not gonna throw like, I feel like those pranks are so stupid that you go to a drive-through and you throw stuff at people, like what? That's not funny. But anyways, here we have it, the revolutionary, well, I don't even know if they're revolutionary. I guess let me take these. The thing is, I'm not trying to wear these to look like, you know, oh, look at me, I have AirPods. I always misplace my phone. So just having these, I could just say hello, and this sounds like an ad. Believe me, if Apple gave me AirPods to promote, I wouldn't be having nacho fries. Well, yeah, I probably would be. But I'd probably like buy 20 of them and just like stack it all around my Mercedes-Benz. So, anyways, here they are. They come with their own nacho dipping sauce, and then here are the fries. Let me give you kind of like a Trisha Paytas. There's so many people, let me just say this, there's so many people that are angry about me liking Trisha Paytas. It's not that I like, I don't really know her. I just think her persona on YouTube and her videos are hilarious. I don't know why I can't talk, but I think she's hilarious in that regard. But there's a lot of you saying like horrible things about her. I don't know any of that, but just to get the record straight, I'm not like, oh, I'm in love with Trisha Paytas the person, because I don't know who that is. It could be not even be the person that's on screen, you know? But that's just what I wanted to say to it. I think she's funny. But anyways, here are the nacho fries, and let's try it out. It looks like there's some sort of seasoning on them, but they just look like fries. Did Taco Bell ever have fries, or is this the first time that they have fries? I don't know. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like, let me make sure. You guys know those Doritos, the nacho cheese Doritos that have like that orange powder? It's on here too. This is what these taste like. It tastes like a French fry with like a tiny hint of Dorito on it. So I guess they got inspired by Doritos. Let me try it with the cheese now. Let me turn up my car too. Don't want to be wasting gas here. Okay, so let's get it in that cheese. This is like your classic. This cheese always reminds me of ice skating rinks, because whenever I went to the roller skating, I used to go roller skating a lot when I was a kid. I don't know why. It was just like something to do. My birthday was at a roller skating rink. I wanted to go to roller skating. Roller skating is fun. I should go again. But yeah, these remind me of that because I would always get nachos at the roller skating rink, or this reminds me of like baseball games or just like stadium stuff. Cheap like nacho cheese. Let's try it. That's exactly it. Like, you guys know it's like bad, but it's good. It's good bad. Like, it's a flavor that you're like, oh, this is so artificial and fake, but it's good at the same time. It's like a bad reality show. But anyways, speaking of like reality shows, I've been listening to the radio in the mornings, because I don't know about you, but if I wake up early in the morning, I'm not in the mood to listen to my jams. Like, I'm not in the mood to like listen to anything other than talking sometimes. So I turn on the radio and it's Ryan's Roses. How many of you guys have heard that show? It's Ryan Seacrest, and then like people call, and then I know like it's been around for a long time. I'm sure everyone knows about it, but I've just got caught onto it, and I don't know if that's fake or real. Like, do you guys think that's fake or real? Because I personally, like, first of all, everyone knows about Ryan's Roses. It's been going on for like 20 years. How can you be so dumb? Second, usually when like people call me like that from like a company, I immediately hang up. And I think that's a lot because we get bombarded with telemarketers. How is it possible that every time someone picks up, and then second, like, I don't know, it's like, I don't know if it's real or fake, because it just seems like if I was caught in that situation, I would have just like hung up, or like I don't know. It's so weird to think about, but leave me your comments below if you think Ryan's Roses, if you've ever seen it, is fake or real. But yeah, the nacho fries are good, but it's like each fry that I'm eating right now, I feel like I'm gaining like 20 pounds, and that's probably being dramatic, but I don't feel like it's healthy at all. But it is delicious. Like, if you're really hungry, like I was right now, you would probably wanna, there's a Supreme version of it too, but I didn't get the Supreme. It comes with beef, and it's like real nachos, but I guess it's just nachos without tortilla. It's with a potato, which makes it really, really good. My final verdict on the nacho fries are, I'll give this a 7 out of 10. I'm really reluctant to give it a 7 because I feel like it's so unhealthy and bad for you that I don't want to promote stuff like that. But yeah, 7 out of 10. Try it out. It's only $1. Like, this is only $1, so you're not gonna lose much. But yeah, speaking of eating healthier, I've been trying to eat healthier, except for today. And I've been trying to do like dance, like not dance, like ballroom dancing, but just like dancing by myself. I know that kind of sounds weird, but let me know if you do it too. But I've heard like dancing makes you burn a lot of calories, and you don't really realize it. Because I hate doing treadmill or anything cardio, but I feel like if I just do this dance thing, I'm just like dancing, having fun. So yeah, that's the latest stuff that I've been doing in fitness. But I'm gonna do a video that's going to be about all the new changes that I've been doing, my supplements, my diet, my workouts, everything is coming. It's gonna be a big video, so don't look at me right now where I'm just like eating nacho fries in a parking lot in Taco Bell. But let me show you guys where I'm at actually. This one of the fries had more of that seasoning on it, and it tasted really good with this nacho cheese. But yeah, this is like literally where I'm eating. It's like this deserted parking lot. There's a bunch of seagulls right there, so I'm probably close to the sea, but I need to like find in my Google Maps where I'm at. Here, if anyone knows where Derek's Jamaican cuisine seafood chicken and steak is, let me know what area I'm in. It's not that bad of an area. I'm just being kind of like dramatic. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you want more mukbangs or eating videos or review videos like this. I love doing them, but I don't know if you guys do. So by letting me know with likes and comments, I'll keep doing them. And if you don't, then I won't do that.